Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud. To know how to find a solution about SoundCloud, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll enter to the window of SoundCloud and you click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.